Meet Emma, a homeowner thinking about getting a new backsplash. But so many options, she's confused and needs help deciding on the perfect tile. From color to texture, layout, size, and amount, there is a lot of friction before she can visualize options. Emma's story is a common experience amongst homeowners looking to buy tile, and retailers need to guide their customers to decide confidently. Unfortunately, instead of helping their customers visualize their tile, many tile stores rely on discounts and sales to drive purchases. This leads to a poor customer experience and loss in profits for the retailer. That's why we've created GroutJoynt. Powered by AI and a decade of industry experience, we equip your staff with powerful tools. Whether it's our GroutJoynt's tile visualizer to help visualize tile in the customer's home, or tile calculator to determine amounts, or AI tile expert to help with making inventory recommendations. GroutJoynt works alongside your team to guide customers to the perfect tile and turn more conversations into sales.